Hello everyone, first we're going to take some hair from one side and then we are going to make a pony by using two rubber bands, and then we're going to start making a braid by taking little amount of hair one by one and then keep on adding it into our braid. After that we're going to continue it again and again till we reach the last, and then we're going to take the remaining hair from that side and then making this ponytail out of it. Now you can see your hairstyle is ready and looks so beautiful. Now you can add any accessories to it as per your choice. Next we're going to take two ponies, one at each sides, and then we're going to take some part of it and then keep on joining them at the back like this. Then we're going to make this pattern. When it's ready, we are going to leave the hair as it is, and now you can see the hair already looks so good and beautiful. You can add any kind of accessories to it as per your choice. Next, we're going to take braids at both the sides, one at each, and then we are going to take the hair and joining them with a rubber band at the back. Then we're going to repeat the same step again and again, and then dividing the hair into two braids, folding them out like this. Next, we are going to take a high ponytail, sectioning our hair into two. Then we're going to pass this first layer with the other like this, and then repeating the same again and again like this. After that, we are going to add a rubber band, then folding out all of the hair into a round shaped bun. And now you can see your hairstyle is ready and looking so good. Next, we're going to start by taking ponytails at each side, and then we're going to fold it once. Then we are going to divide the hair into two braids, folding the braids out at the top and adding these beautiful butterfly clutchers. Next, we're going to take this high ponytail and dividing it into two parts, and then adding rubber bands and folding them out like this into a beautiful round bun. Now you can add any kind of clips or clutches to it as per your choice. Next, we are going to take some hair from one side, then making a braid by using these colorful rubber bands. We're going to repeat the same step with the other side and joining both the braids into a pony. Then we're going to fold out this ponytail into this low bun. Next, we're going to start by combing our hair and then dividing it into 5 ponies. Then taking the top ones and converting them into braids and joining them with the ponytails at the sides. Next, we're going to start by taking this high ponytail, making 2 thin braids with that, and then making out this beautiful braid by adding some effects and these colorful rubber bands. Next, here we are taking some hair from one side, and then we are going to start by making a braid and then taking some more hair along with it and making this pony. Then adding again a rubber band to it, then taking the remaining hair and then converting it into a braid and folding it into half. Next, we're going to start by taking braid one at each side. Then we're going to take some hair at the back and securing them with a rubber band. Then doing the same step once more and taking all of the hair, making this braid by adding these colorful rubber bands.